Okay, so we're going to solve the following inequality. 4 times the quantity x minus 7. So that's x minus 7 in parentheses plus 40 is greater than negative 32. Okay, so go ahead and write that down. And we're going to just follow the steps that we would normally follow, which means distribute first the 4. So that's going to give us 4x minus 28 plus 40 is greater than negative 32. Okay? So far, so good?
Yep.
Okay. What's our next move?
Minus 40.
Yeah. So that we call that combining like terms. So we have negative 28 and 40. So that's going to be, help me out, 4x
Minus
12. Well, it might be plus because the 40 is larger.
Oh, yeah.
Is greater than negative 32, which means we'll go ahead and remove. Now it's a two-step inequality. Let's get rid of so we get 4x is greater than, and then we have negative 44.
Yeah.
And now just one step left. We'll divide out the 4. Now, will I have to flip this inequality symbol?
No.
No. That's a common mistake at this point when you're first learning this. Oh, I see, I'm dividing and there's a negative. I had better flip the inequality symbol. Remember, it's only when you divide or multiply by a negative, and I'm dividing by a positive, so we don't flip it. And we get x is greater than negative 11. Okay. So just to have good practice, we're going to go ahead and make a number line. Negative 11, negative 10, negative 9. So here's a few neighbors of negative 11. And we don't include negative 11 in our solution, so let's do this. Good. Let's go on to number 5. So for number 5, let's do negative 5 times the quantity x minus 9 plus 40 is greater than, oh, my bad. I was copying part of the old problem. It's going to be plus 3. Greater than or equal to 8. Okay. So again, if we have parentheses, which mean distributing, that's the first thing we'll do. Bless you. Now, negative 5 times x is negative 5x. How about negative 5 times minus 9? Yeah, plus 45. Think of it as negative times negative. I'm still noticing. Oh, yeah. Plus 3 is greater than or equal to 8. Combine. We got 45 and 3, so that makes it 48. And that is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, let's get rid of our constant, the 48. Okay, check my work. Is that correct?
Yes.
Negative 5x greater than or equal to negative 40. Divide. What are we dividing by?
Negative.
So I'm going to circle this. And we get X. I don't know how to say less than or equal to in Spanish. Less than or equal to 8. Mhm. All right. So we want numbers in and around 8 to demonstrate where the solution is. And this time we do include 8. Okay. With all real numbers 8 or greater. That's another way of saying, describing the number line. You could say all real numbers, because that means everything. Positive, well, whatever it might be, positive or negative. Decimal fraction, any single nook and cranny, rational, irrational, everything. 8 or bigger. Okay, we got 2 more, but I don't think I can fit the last one here. So we'll do 2 more. I'm going to turn my page, though. Any questions? Okay, let's move on to do number 6. I'm going to go on to my next page. Number 6. Okay. So this is 5 is less than negative x, negative parentheses x minus 8. That's an ugly x, by the way. Plus 4. Okay. So how do we eliminate the parentheses here? Oh, wait a minute. Do you notice what I'm noticing first of all?
Yes.
What am I noticing?
Yeah, you gotta flip the whole.
Yeah.
Equality.
I would probably flip this over. I don't like variables on the right side, and I could do a better job at writing the inequality there. So negative parentheses x minus 8 plus 4. But what's going to happen is this less than becomes greater than 5. Okay, so we just did a quick flip. And if this was on like a worksheet or a problem on Delta or what have you, just write it this way to begin with. Okay, now what's our first move? Yeah. Yeah, distribute the negative sign. You could think of it as a -1 if you want. Either way, all it's going to do is reverse the sign on anything inside the parentheses. So negative x. Sebastian, close the Chromebook right now, please. Plus 8 plus 4 greater than 5. Okay, combine, you get negative x plus 12 is greater than 5. We'll get rid of 12, with negative 12. And that would give us what? Negative 7?
Yeah.
So we got negative x is negative 7, but we don't want negative x. Yes. Yeah. Think of it as dividing by negative 1. Because technically that's a negative 1. They'll
And
cancel.
wouldn't the sign be flipped again?
Yeah. So you get x is less than positive 7. Yeah, the sign gets flipped again. This time just the inequality symbol. So we got all real numbers less than 7. Okay. We'll skip the graphs. I think we've done enough of those. And just do our last example, number 7. Okay, so this is negative 3 is less than or equal to x plus 9 divided by negative 2. So go ahead and write that. We've only done, I think, one more equation when we were working on equations like this. So I figured we should get some practice with this. Any suggestions? How do we start this?
Flip the equation.
Probably a good idea.
Inequality. Sorry.
Flip the inequality. So put x plus 9 divided by negative 2 on the left.
So that's x plus 9 divided by
X plus 9, sorry.
right? Because or is it just it's x plus 9 divided by negative 2?
Yeah, the whole thing's divided by negative 2. Okay, so all we did is just reverse it. Yes. Yeah, that's our, so this is kind of like a grouping symbol. It's telling us take care of the division first before all the other stuff. So it's telling you to do something out of the normal order. Normally we wouldn't worry about dividing or multiplying till like the second or third step, but here we got to remove that so we can get to the x plus 9. So we're going to multiply on both sides by negative 2. Okay? And since it's a negative, that means we flip the inequality symbol. That's going to be 6. And let's get rid of the 3. I'm the 9. I was already thinking of the answer, actually. X is less than or equal to negative 3. Okay? All right. So that's what we're working on in IXL. Okay?
It is